Hello there viewers and welcome to this weekend's Out and About. Well, I'm sure you're all just like me and you've recently enjoyed all the Navratri celebrations, and over the next couple of weeks we'll be bringing you some highlights of just that. And in this week we start off first of all by taking you to East Croydon, where Asian Resource Centre Croydon held their Navratri celebrations.
It's a privilege to organize this event, Navratri event. It's the third year running. Our objective basically for this event is to bring all the communities within Croydon area and surrounding boroughs together. Let's celebrate Navratri with music, dance and food. The three major ingredients that you are required in a Navratri event to enjoy it. In India, this event will be celebrated in a park outside. And the objective there in India is to bring the surrounding area neighborhood together, and we are doing the same. We can't do it outside, but we are doing it within a beautiful venue, Grand Sapphire. Hopefully we'll do it again next year as well.
All day, all night long. Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram.
हो जन्म जन्म की खोज बताए, राम से चल के राम पे आए, प्रेम कोई हमें और न जाने, राम से रूठे राम से माने, राम सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम जय जय राम.
My name is Shaina, and this event is important to me because it allows me to connect to my culture.
Hi, my name is Karina. This event is close to my heart because it's a way for me to spend time with my friends and my family and celebrate Durgama.
संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय, नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय.
Hi, this is Deepak here. Actually, I am attending this event at Grand Sapphire for the second time. This event is very close to me because I socialize with a lot of friends here. We come as a family, we enjoy it here. And back in India we used to have the Dandiya nights, but here we are missing the fun part of it. But from last year's and for today, again, it's going to be a very good event. We are going to enjoy with our friends, the dance and eat good food. So that's why it has been close to me for last few years.
This event is so beautiful and it's very popular in India. We always celebrate this event, the Mata Di event. So here we used to celebrate like get together with families. We'll get together with friends and we'll have a lot of good food and lots of fun. And obviously dance is the most priority in this event. We'll do some Garba dance and all, and have lot of fun. we do have different cultural activities, also some other types of dance as well, with kids, with moms and some adults. So this is very special and beautiful event.
चरना चौक जग्या चरना चौक जग्या चरना चौक जग्या दिवड़ा जोत जग्या मान हार हार मजा रे मारी तारा वाना इंधान थया तारा वाना इंधान थया.
Hello, I'm Natasha Irons. I'm the Member of Parliament for Croydon East, and I'm so excited to be here this evening. Thank you to the Asian Resource Centre in Croydon for inviting me. This is a spectacular event that's multi-faith, it's multi-generational. There's all sorts of people coming together to celebrate tonight, and I'm so excited to be here.
कोर तुम ताने लई लई पिचकारी होली नो गुलाल रचायो रुद्रनो राज पेलो फागण अगन आयो फल पेलो लहरायो रे आयो फागण पर में तो आयो आयो रे आयो फागण पर में तो आयो ये ना रंग मलक रंगायो आयो रे आयो फागण पर तो.
In this auspicious day, we used to play Garba and Dandiya, and we just impress our God, and we just get good wishes from our goddess. And there are so many goddesses over different villages, and we used to play Dandiyas just like I have this one. So we used to play with Dandiya and enjoy. Happy Navratri.
काम तोरे आओ सुधारी ने द्वार मानो कर बोरे माने गाजनी दरबार ओली सुधारी नी नाड़ तू तो सुधी होय तो जा ओली सुधारी नी हार तू तो सुधी होय तो जा के माने कर बेले रोड मेला मानो कर बोरे रूडी मादनी दरबार के मानो
आज का जो इवेंट है उसकी खासियत ये है कि आज महागौरी का दिन है, अष्टमी का दिन है, अष्टमी और नवमी हम एक साथ मना रहे हैं. सो इसलिए ये दिन बहुत ख़ास है माता महागौरी की पूजा के लिए.
और इसी बहाने हम लोग सब लोग यहाँ पे मिल के ये त्यौहार मना रहे हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ. सो बहुत मज़ा आता है, हम लोग हर साल आते हैं.
अब्बा मांगू तारी पास मारी पूरी कर जो आस मांगू तारी ओ मारी मांगी ने मांगू ने बस एक लो मारो अमर गाठों ने चूड़ी करो.
What's a fantastic event today happening here in Grand Sapphire Hotel. An event organized by ARCC, bringing Croydon Hindu community together to celebrate Durga Puja. In other words, it's not a celebration, it's a celebration of a tribute to divine and good over the evil. So it's a fantastic celebration, and this shows us our culture and heritage, identity and heritage. This is a meaningful and vibrant event I saw, and bringing most of the Hindu community together in one place. I thank ARCC officers and Mr. Jay Patel, Imamia, and everyone behind this event. It's a fantastic event, bringing community together, enjoy themselves, and also the important taking our culture and identity to next generation.
Jai Adhya Shakti Ma Jai शक्ती अखंड ब्रह्मांड निपाव्या अखंड ब्रह्मांड निपाव्या पडवे प्रगट्यामा ओम जय मा जगदंबे द्वितीयाबे स्वरूप शिव शक्ति जानो माँ शिव शक्ति जानो ब्रह्मा गणपति गाय ब्रह्मा गणपति गाय हर गाए हर माँ ओम जय माँ जगदंबे जिना मेरे शमड़ा जिना मेरे शमड़ा जिना मेरे रम जनियो रे पे जनियो लागे शमड़ा जिना मेरे पे जनियो लागे हाल जो बाजे जनियो रे पे जनियो लागे हिरण जनियो रे पे जनियो लागे हाल जो बाजे रम जनियो रे पे जनियो लागे हाल में जो बाजे रम जनियो रे पे जनियो लागे हाल ने छोड़ी मेरे रम जनियो रे पे जनियो लागे हाल में छोड़ी मेरे रम जनियो रे पे जनियो लागे शमड़ा जीना मेरे आय हाय शमड़ा जीना मेरे शमड़ा जीना मेरे ओ शमड़ा जीना मेरे मेरे शमड़ा जीना मेरे रंग जनियो रे पे जनियो लागे शमड़ा जीना मेरे रंग जनियो रे पे जनियो लागे
We love coming here to celebrate our culture and to see everybody. It's really fun to dance together and see all the colours.
माला रे माल लहरनियो लाल कमर कमर चाले रे चाल किनव देवना हाथ मरुमा माला रे माल लहरनियो लाल कमर कमर चाले रे चाल नवी देवना हाथ मरुमा लपटी रे चपटी दे धीरे दे बाल ने शर्मा ने शरणी शोभेरा ले गाल बाबड़ियो चांदलो छोड़ रे बाल बीते वो ना हाथ मारूमाल माला रे माल लहरनियो लाल कमर कमर चाले रे चाल किन्नरी देवना हाथ मारूमाल
This event is really close to my heart because I love dancing, and growing up, Garba has been a big part of our lives. Doing traditional dance is what we love. It's important to take our culture forward to the next generation, and hopefully by performing Garba today we can teach little children our Indian culture, even living in London.
Hello, yeah, we enjoyed this event and really grateful that we are able to come and enjoy it here. And children also get a taste of our festivals, and it's very well organized here, so we love coming here every year. Thank you.
पंखीड़ा हो पंखीड़ा पंखीड़ा हो पंखीड़ा पंखीड़ा पूरी जागे पावा गए रे पंखीड़ा पूरी जागे पावा गए रे मारी माकड़ी ने जैने के जे गरबे रमे रे माकड़ी ने जैने के जे गरबे रमे रे
Hi, I am here to celebrate Navratri from ARCC, privileged to be a trustee. We celebrate this event annually here in Croydon, southwest London, to get the community together. It's part of our charity, and the reason we do it to bring communities together. We engage in other projects such as well-being, healthcare, keeping multi-faith in the community, and this is one of the most important celebrations we organize, and we have thousands of people turn up for it, and it's really a privilege to be here this evening. Thank you.
Ola gamna, ola gamna, ola gamna suthari vira vela avore. Bahakadine mate ruja bajla lavore. Bahakadine mate ruja bajla lavore. Sara lao sundar lao vela avore. Sara lao sundar lao vela avore. Mari bahakadine jain ke je kar pe mere. Bahakadine jain ke je kar pe mere. Ha pankhida tudi jaje मारी माकड़ी ने चैन कीजे घर पे मेरे माकड़ी ने चैन कीजे घर पे मेरे.
Well, the reason this event is so close to my heart is I am Navratri born. It's my birthday in a couple of days' time. So obviously I feel like I'm Mataji ka beta. And my mom, my parents, my family are very, very enthusiastic about the whole thing. So I've always grown up seeing the vibe in the house where we have the Garba Sthapna in the house, we have the whole 9 days of Aarti, the whole buzz, and therefore it makes it very, very special for me. Not to forget the whole social angle, which is where we all got together here to celebrate Navratri. Thank you so much, and just loving it here. तारे किया माने द्वार अजे हिचले विस ओ तारे किया माने द्वार अजे हिचले विस हमारे अम्बा माने द्वार अजे हिचले विस हिचले विस निमारे गरबे घुमो से हिचले विस गरबे घुमो से ढोलीड़ा ढोल रे बगाड़ मारे हिचले विसे ढोलीड़ा ढोल रे बगाड़ मारे हिचले विसे
Good evening, everyone. My name's Imamia, and this is
Jay Patel.
Jay's the chair, and I'm the CEO of the Asian Resource Centre of Croydon. And we are absolutely delighted to be here tonight celebrating Navratri for the 3rd year running. And it's an absolutely amazing event. The thinking really behind the event was something that Jay came up with a couple of years ago. Jay, do you want to talk a little bit about how we came out with the Navratri event?
Yeah, I wanted to organize something that is a celebration of a particular culture. I wanted to make sure that it was celebrated at one of the best venues in Croydon. I wanted to make sure that in this celebration we bring different communities together to celebrate it with dance, music and food, which are the 3 major ingredients to celebrate Navratri.
and it is delightful. Every single year, more and more people come along to Navratri, not just from one community, but many, many different communities. And that's what Asian Resource Centre is really about, celebrating communities and the diversity we have in such a wonderful borough of ours. And we're hoping that we're going to continue doing Navratri for many years to come.
Our heartiest congratulations to all at the Asian Resource Centre in Croydon. And of course, as I mentioned at the top of the programme, there'll be more Navratri celebrations coming your way next week. That's all we've got time for in this week's show, but we're back on your screens again next weekend. So until then, viewers, take care. Bye-bye.